Happy Halloween season, everyone! Jedimanda here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I created a super simple Sabrina Spellman dress from the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina that is on Netflix, one of my current favorite shows. I do adore this show. Now, specifically, I created her red dress with the lace collar and signature black buttons and signature black headband. The dress itself is actually super simple. I just made some small changes to fit the time that I actually made this dress in and the look I really wanted. Weirdly, I actually made this dress in one evening. I don't suggest it. I'm actually still exhausted from making this dress in one evening, and it's been a month and a half later. So get all caught up with the show and let's make a cute dress. The fabric I purchased was actually a soft stretch sateen from Joann's, about 2.5 yards of it, and it was plenty. The pattern I used was Vogue 9201. I made the knee length with the long sleeve option, and the main change I did was to not have a button front and have a side zipper seam. So I found some nice lace that easily pulls into a collar and a pack of 6 buttons and an invisible zipper for the side seam instead of button front like the pattern calls for. Okay, for the main part of the dress, just follow the directions given in the pattern and make the dress just like you do any other pattern basic dresses, right? You can make a button front if you want, but I didn't really want to considering the time that I actually had to make the dress. So whichever look you would like to do, it's totally up to you. I do suggest serging the edges, and don't forget to transfer all of your pattern marks from the paper pattern to the dress fabric itself. Once I had the bodice and skirt attached, I abandoned the collar pattern that's actually from the pattern, mainly because I was also tired and I thought I could just place the lace on the neckline and make it work, and actually, it totally worked. All I did was just turn the edges under in the center front and top stitch the lace onto the neckline. Then I stitched the collar down at small points. I loved the look of the lace, however, I did do one little thing wrong. So the thing I did wrong was kind of dumb on my part. Apparently, my head is actually bigger than the neck hole. Who would have thought? Shocker. So to fix that, I sliced the upper yoke back down to the seam and turned under the edges and top stitch them down, or run a zigzag stitch over the edge of the fabric that you opened to seal down the fray so nothing really frays, and also to stitch the collar down. Then I placed a simple hook and bar at the top to hold it together. This was to get the dress on easier because my head did not want to fit through that neck hole. What a shot. Now, place the black buttons on where you want them. I used all 6 of the buttons and stitched them down. After the buttons are down, I just hemmed the skirt and sleeves. Now I'm all ready to speak some spells like the Spellmans. Pair the dress with some black leggings or tights. Pull a short blonde wig on your head with a black headband and go make the Spellmans proud. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. If you love my cosplay tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and have a happy Halloween, and I will see you all next time.